Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get the bird says. So first you have to go to Safari or Google. Then you have to type Roblox promotional code. Then you will see the first one, then click on it. After you will see enter your code. Then enter the code called tweet Roblox. Then when you type the code, it will say successfully redeemed. I already redeemed the code, so after it says successfully redeemed, you got it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Bye.